to find your account status on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your account status on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram app and go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now all you need to do is click on setting and click on account. Click on account status, which is the option number 4. And now I haven't posted anything that is affecting my account status. All you need to do is click on it and they're gonna show you all your account status in their list. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.